Hey, it's Jillian, and we're going to take a look at some perimeter problems now. So we know a swimming pool has a perimeter of 96 meters. The length is 3 meters more than twice the width. Find the length and width of the pool. The only information that's missing from this question is I think it would be better if it said a rectangular swimming pool. But anyway, I'm sure that was obvious, but still, it's good to really be clear in your communication and make sure that there's no where that you can just sort of make a guess and guess wrong. So anyway, we know perimeter is two lengths and two widths. There's two lengths and there's two widths, and perimeter is the distance around. I always use a cursive L instead of a printed L because then it just looks like a number 1. And if you draw a little diagram and label it, you don't need to write up your let statements because it's clearly communicated that this is the width and this is the length. Now, this said here that the swimming pool had a perimeter of 96. So if perimeter equals this, then it's true. We can say that 2L plus 2W equals 96. So there's our first equation. And then we're seeing how these are related, the length and the width. So it doesn't say that length equals width, but this is an interesting way to just sort of build your equation. So let's go with it. It doesn't say that length equals width, but what could we add or subtract 3 to so that this was a true statement? Well, if the length is 3 more than twice the width, if the length is 3 more than twice the width, then what we've got here is the length is equal to the width twice the width, 3 more. So here we have the length is equal to 3 more than twice the width. Find the length of the width of the pool. So we can just do substitution. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and we're going to take, again, we write our instructions on the left here, so we're going to take equation 2 and sub it into equation 1. So we're going to have, instead of 2L, we're going to have 2 this plus 2W equals 96, and then here I'm going to put 2W plus 3, so this times this is 4W plus 6 plus 2W equals 96. And then we've got 4W plus 2W is 6W. 96 minus 6 is, of course, 90. And then we divide both sides by 6. 6 goes into 9 once, with 3 left over, and 6 goes into 35 times. So here we have a width of 15. Then what we're going to do is read the question and make sure we've answered it. Find the length and the width. No, we don't know it yet. So here's our width, and I'm going to just sub this into equation 2 to find the length. Oops, off the chart there. Okay, so now I'm going to do length equals 2W plus 3. So length equals, that's 30 plus 3 is 33. So my sentence is going to be, find the length and the width, and we've got meters. So now what I'm going to do is just simply write up, therefore, the length is 33 meters, and the width is 15 meters. And you're done.